My friends, my family, my gap tooth listeners, this one's for you. Today, we're going to learn how to be kitchen shamans.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at the dumpling. Look at
Man,
it.
that
Look,
look
look,
good,
look, look, look,
Zane.
look, look. Look at the yam. You want to
Yeah,
learn how to
son.
cook this?
Hell
All
yeah.
right. Today's special. Gap tooth. Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
Welcome to Gap Tooth. This is a special edition. We're gonna do some Gap Tooth cooking, and you're gonna learn how to how to make
You're
some
already messing up.
Jamaican pumpkin soup. Yeah, good for the heart, good for the belly. All right, these are the ingredients right here. No need to worry. I'm going to list them in the description. We're going to start with chopping up some onions any old way. They don't have to be special because we're going to boil them down into the soup. You're not making salsa, so just, chop the onions up however way you want. Chop them up, line them up, knock them down. And then what we're going to do is we're going to introduce the onions to some garlic. Garlic and onion, they've been friends, for a long time. So,
That's true.
get
The
them
garlic's in
to
the
know
Bible
each other.
and all of
Make
that.
sure you press your thumb in when you're chopping garlic and onion things, because if you lose the tip of your thumb, it's hard to do certain things, right? So, boom. All right, make them
roll a
friends.
spliff.
Let them get to know each other. Hey, long time no see, onion. Hey, garlic, wagwan, right? Boom. So they're friends. Put them together. Chop up the garlic nice too, but don't worry, it's all gonna melt. Next come the pumpkin or the squash or whatever you guys call it. This ain't a Halloween pumpkin, but yeah. So
That's a squash,
now you're gonna
Zane.
break
That
this
ain't-
down. But when you break this down, it doesn't have to be no special thing either. You know why? Because we're gonna make this soft and we're gonna blend it. That's gonna cook with the garlic and the onion and everything else. It's gonna soak up that flavor. Just soak it up and get soft, and then we're gonna blend it later. So you don't want to chop up all the pumpkin. You want to save a piece of pumpkin later to add
That look
to the
good,
to the
Zane,
soup
for real.
itself. All right.
Yeah.
So let's gather all that onto the plate. Everybody's friends, pumpkin, onion,
Food don't talk,
garlic.
Zane.
They're all having a party, getting to know each other. Hey, yo, what going, pumpkin? What's happening, garlic? Where you been, man? Oh, man, who stinks around here? Not me, said the pumpkin. But anyway, boom, okay. Then
I gotta
also
get another
now we
job.
want to add what? The corn. Yeah, the corn. You see how all these are getting together? So chop the corn up into, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and we're just gonna let that all cook together. It's all gonna cook together. That corn husk is gonna soak up all the juices and all the flavorings of everything. All of them are gonna mingle and have a party together. They all know each other. They've been friends for 1,000 years. So we're gonna put all those guys together and just put them onto the plate and let them enjoy themselves, and then add the good friend carrot. Are you seeing the colors? You seeing the colors that are going on in here? It's a bouquet. It's a food bouquet, a fouquet, It's a fouquet soup, for real.
Fouquet.
Look how beautiful that is. Look, so okay, boom, carrot.
got
Everybody
crazy.
know carrot. Squash and pumpkin know carrot. Corn knows carrot. Garlic knows carrot. All right, this is an example of how not to make dumplings Jamaican style.
Oh,
I don't
here
know
we go.
what I was thinking here. You see, when you have
is
all
that?
goo like that, basically that means that you have nothing worth edible. I'm gonna have to add a whole lot of flour to that
Yeah, you
later.
made a mess,
I'll show you how it
Zane.
turns out
That's
later.
embarrassing,
We're gonna
bro.
have to get back to that because this is just
Yo,
a
if you can't make
travesty.
dumpling, you're
And
not Jamaican, Zane.
let's just move on. Next.
So you front.
Next. Yellow yam. Look. Yellow yam is powerful. Jamaican yellow lamb. See, Usain Bolt,
Yam, not
he
lamb.
eat yellow yam, and that's why he break all them records. They tried to test him, talking about he's taking some type of steroids. His father said, "Nah, man, it's the yellow yam from which part he grew up. He grew up eating the yellow yam, and that's why he run like that. So you want to run like Bolt, you need to eat this Jamaican yellow yam."
That's
We're
true.
putting
That's true.
earth energies and powers into this soup. That's why I say you're being a shaman when you do this. You're not making a pizza here. You're using fire, air, earth, and water, and
Hippie shit.
love,
Talk that
and
hippie shit.
and purpose, and good feelings and energy because you're cooking for your family,
Shaman business.
So when you're dealing with all, that's why it's good to use organic products. Because when you're cooking all of these things for your family,
Look at that.
you
Yeah,
are
look good,
being
Zane. That look
shamanistic.
good. That's the
This stuff
yam.
is
That's the yellow
medicinal.
yam. All right.
It goes into your DNA.
Tell them
All
about
right.
the
So
lemon
boom, we
water.
got all those people gathered, right? We got the yellow yam, the carrot, so what you want to do is you want to take that yellow yam. You're not
Yeah.
putting that in yet because it cooks too fast. You want to
Right.
soak that in some lemon water, right?
Put it
Because
in
you
the
don't want it to
lemon water.
turn brown. Now, after you have that soaking, you're gonna take out the green banana. Yeah, green banana. Yeah, we eat green banana. And you want to cut the green banana a certain way. See the edges and the ridges? That's where you want to cut the green banana. It's not easy to peel, you know what I mean? And if you think green banana isn't good for you, you should use the Galugalul green banana. Because if you Google green banana, it will tell you that it ain't no joke. Boom, scrape it, make sure all the outside layer skin is off. Next, sweet potato. This is another like sweet yam or whatever. You could use any other extra kind of potato, Irish potato, anything else you want, right? We're gonna do that sweet potato. We're gonna cut up more of the pumpkin and put that to the side because remember, the first part of the pumpkin, we're just letting that boil with the corn and everything. The yam is not in yet. The yam is to the side in lemon water. All right. So is the banana. The banana and the yam, lemon water. Now we're going to just add a little more pumpkin, put that to the side too. We're not adding it yet. We're just getting everything ready. Right now, the only thing in the boiling pot is the corn, the carrot, the onion, the garlic, and them thing there. All right.
That's the sweet potato, right?
This is the sweet potato. We're just going to chop that up into little pieces, get all that ready. Okay. More of the yellow yam now. The yellow yam ready. Everybody see how it turned a little brown? It don't matter. When it goes into the pot, there's the banana. All those things are coming out of the lemon water now. I had them soaking in the lemon water.
Yo, you got the jungle broth going on right there, man.
So again,
The
you
Gilligan
already
Island
have
special.
things boiling. These are the next step, the next layer of food you're going to put into the pot of your alchemy. Your alchemy chamber of fire and herbs and medicine and sunshine and earth. All right, we're going to take all this, the banana, the yam, we're going to add that into the pot. Don't worry, you're going to see the pot soon. Some ginger. We're going to chop up some ginger. We're down to the last parts, ladies and gentlemen. We down to the last parts, my people. I love y'all. Chop up the ginger. Boom. Watch your thumb. Watch your thumb. See, I tipped it. See, I realized and I tucked my thumb. It takes practice. Especially when you're in a hurry, because I'm just trying to show you. I like my ginger chopped up real fine because, I don't like chunky ginger in the food. It's not yummy like that. Boom. All right. We want to add the thyme, little spoops of thyme. Right. Boom. Scallion or green onion. You don't have to chop that up fine at all. We're just going to let all of that melt into the elixir. Scotch bonnet pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper is no joke. Don't play with it. If you want a little flavor of it, you poke it a little bit. But if you get the seeds in there, it might be too spicy for tourists. You know what I mean? Now this is the dumpling. That gooey mess I had, I went ahead and added a lot more flour, and you kind of knead from the outside. You knead it from the outside inward, and then you get that vibe right there, what you got. So these are called spinners, because the little round dumplings that they make, like you get from the Jamaican spot in Brooklyn, them things ain't easy to make, you know what I mean? You got to round them and round them and round them. I don't know how to do that. So I just do the spinners. They look away, I understand, but man, listen, when you add them to your stews and your soups, you can't. Anybody, all my East Coast people know what I'm talking about. It ain't even soup or stew if it ain't no dumplings in there.
That's true.
Now, I'm using regular flour, but that's because I didn't have spelt. That's looking good, right? So next step is you want to take out only the pumpkin that's in there. Leave the carrot and everything else. Put it in the blender. All right? Put that in the blender, and we're gonna fix that up. We're gonna blend that. So hold tight.
Blender.
All right. Shout out to my ninja. What up, my ninja? Here we go. Talk to me, my ninja. Yeah, my ninja. You know what it is. Power to the people, my ninja. Get it. What's my name? Yeah, so now we just take this that we blended.
Add that to the soup.
And we're
Oh,
gonna add that
man.
to the soup. Yeah, let's get that in there.
Man.
Almost forgot. One last point. The coconut milk. Now, back in the day, you know, we have to go outside, you get the coconut, you have to take like a machete or something, whack away at the coconut, peel this joker, peel it really good till you get the brown nut. You know the brown coconut that you usually see in the store? That's underneath here.
Tree too?
Then you take that brown nut after you peel this and you put it under a pot.
Over a pot, dummy.
And then you take a hammer and you bang and bang, bang the coconut, right? Until the coconut itself breaks. You catch all the water, right? Then you burst that open. Then you dig out the coconut itself. You take it to the blender, my ninja. And then you use cheesecloth or whatever and you strain it to get the coconut milk. And because I love y'all so much, I'm gonna do that for you. One day, but not right now. Right now I'm gonna use this coconut milk because that's some serious work. Some paprika, salt, cayenne pepper, and paprika, salt, cayenne pepper,
garlic, salt, onion,
and onion powder. I'm just gonna go ahead.
Garlic powder, onion powder.
And just add, this is my own home-based flavoring. You can add whatever type of flavoring you like. Add that in there.
Chef
I like my food spicy, but you may not like it as spicy.
Good,
so maybe the red pepper is not your thing.
Let it cook down now. Let it cook down.
Pepper, the cayenne pepper, that's heart medicine. That's the real deal heart medicine. So, all right, let's let that cook up some more. And here we have it.
That's after you blended some more pumpkin, though. You put some more pumpkin. You blended more pumpkin up.
Because this is a serious meal.
That's a pot of love. That right there, that's a pot of love. I can't front. Damn, the deal. All right, let's eat. Yeah.
And that's it.
Gyap too, like hot sauce. I put that on.